Well, hi guys and gals, it's me, George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man.
And Andrew Larry, the Tablet Man. Yeehaw!
Also known as the Phone Man, and the Door Man, and the Old Man. Okay. Subject to this video is a turtle on its back. Oh no, that's not a turtle on its back. That's a gas tank for the Honda four-wheeler SX. Yep. And I think I had shown you all before. We're going to lean you down in there again so you can see it. But this thing is, shall we say, crunchy inside. Crunchy.
Rusty old.
We need a flashlight right over there. See that green one? Yep. Mr. Andrew's grabbing a flashlight and he's going to shine it in there. Look at, see how crunchy that is in there? Yeah, all inside like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to fix the situation, and how we're going to do it is we're going to put vinegar in it. That alone would probably do it if we had to. But we're also going to dump some nuts and bolts in it. Let me walk in front of the camera here. And we just so happen to have nuts and bolts that need to be cleaned themselves. Oh yeah. And this will serve two purposes, because not only will it help clean the inside of the gas tank, it'll also help clean these nuts and bolts and so forth that we need. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So now, if you look down inside there, you can see that there are, woo! Look at all them things down in there. Yes, sir. Now we're going to get some vinegar and throw it in there, put the cap back on, and I think we're going to take it out and duct tape it to the Massey Ferguson. Go for a ride. Okay, Mr. Andrew and I just got home.
Yep,
We've been out doing some errands.
Yep.
And one of the things we did was get some vinegar
for the gas tank.
And we're going to dump this right in here in the gas tank. We're dumping it in full strength, just like that.
And it should fill it up all the way.
No, it's about halfway, and that's all we need.
Start to get
And then we're going to put the cap on.
the rusty old cap.
Rusty old cap. Okay, now you can see that I have put a plug on the bottom down there to cap off where the shut-off valve goes. And I think what we're going to do is we're going to take it over and we're going to bolt it on, or tape it on, to the wheel on the back of one of my tractors. So hold on to your hats, because here we go.
As you can see, he's walking away, heading towards the tractor over there.
Okay, we got the gas tank taped on to the rear wheel of the Massey Ferguson. Now we're going to back it up and drive it around a little bit. Yeah, that's what you think. I'm going to give the camera to Andrew, and he's going to Watch me as I go, and you can see the gas tank rolling around.
Yeah.
Keep it zoomed back.
I will, Merle. Right this way?
Here comes. The thing, come back again. Come back right here.
Wouldn't hardly have thought it possible, but look at how clean this came out. Yes, sir. I haven't tried pulling this off, and I'm probably not going to now. But it might be usable with a little more cleaning. But for now, we're going to stick it here in this container with all of its various parts and save it for future reference.